Hello friends, welcome to Science Fact Educations. In this question, we have to find out the value of x by 20 and x is equal to coordination number of 2D square closed packing plus coordination number of 2D HCP plus coordination number of 3D square closed packing plus coordination number of 3D ABC packing plus coordination number of 3D AB type packing. To solve this problem, you should know the arrangement of atoms in all kind of lattice which are given in this summation form. Only then you can find out the coordination number of that system. What is 2D square closed packing? In 2D square closed packing, atoms arrange in this manner. That is stacking of AA type rows that will form 2D square closed packing. That is stacking of AA rows. If you point out the central atom, you will find that the coordination number of this central atom is nothing but a 4. In second case, it is given that coordination number of 2D HCP lattice. In HCP lattice, rows arranged in ABAB type. That is stacking of rows in ABAB type. That will form HCP lattice in 2D. That is A, B, A. You will get HCP lattice. The central atom having coordination number equal to 6. Because only 6 atoms they are touching to this central atom. That is why coordination number should be 6. What is coordination number of 3D square closed packing? In case of 3D square closed packing, there will be stacking of layers, AA type layers, stacking of AA type layers. Okay, previous one is that stacking of AA type rows, but in this case, stacking of AA type layers. And finally, it will give 3D square closed packing. Here we will get simple cubic system. And we know that the coordination number of simple cubic system, okay, that is nothing but a 6. So coordination number of this simple cubic system, that is equal to 6. We have already discussed in theoretical part of solid state. You can refer that video also. What about the coordination number of 3D ABC type packing? ABC type packing in 3D manner, they will form CCP lattice, whose unit cell is FCC and coordination number will be 12. So ABC packing will create CCP lattice whose unit cell is FCC and coordination number will be 12. Plus coordination number of 3D AB type packing which creates HCP lattice in 3D. Remember that. AB layer repetition will create HCP lattice, and in this case coordination number will be 12. Finally, when we add all these coordination number, we will get x equal to 40, and therefore x by 20, that is 40 by 20 is equal to 2. So the correct answer should be B. Thank you for watching this video.